We're live at Ohio Tech Day, a premier event going on all across the state of Ohio. And the way that we're celebrating at Parallax is with the Douglas MacArthur Girls Leadership Academy. We got them touring at NASA. We've got them here interacting with tech and industry and university members from all over the state. And then we've got them back there building a simulated microchip activity. So a whole lot of moving parts, a whole lot of moving pieces, but hey, that's how machines work. Ohio Tech Day is an important activity for the OSGC because we have so many great higher education programs, but you really got to get to students sooner, show them all the possibilities. So when you say, hey, look at everything that's possible, what's being made in your own backyard, and the types of careers you could be involved with, they get to find out right here.
It is so important that we focus more on addressing the gender inequities of young women entering STEM careers. From a very early age, girls are receiving even unconscious messages and nonverbal messages about what careers they should be entering. And so we want to kind of change that narrative and provide them more exposure and understanding the wide realm of opportunities that are present for them as they continue to grow and seek their passions in life.